Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how I created my hero image. A hero image is just a piece of content that shows users what your website is kind of about, and it can consist of any kind of images, videos, or even animations. It's all optional depending on your niche or your topic or whatever content you are advertising or displaying inside of your website. So one of the most important things when creating a website, it should be responsive. And this website, as you can see, the phone with the smallest resolution is the iPhone 5. And as you can see, the website fits in that resolution really nicely. No elements are out of place. Even the Galaxy Note 3, everything still looks good. And as you guys can see, it's very responsive and yeah, it looks good, and this is what we want for all of our websites. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I coded this hero image, and I'm gonna play it fast so you guys can pause it if you want to see what codes I exactly use.